Hello, class. My project was on media ownership and the impact on news for the media and politics class. What is media ownership? Media ownership is a process whereby progressively fewer individuals or organizations control increasing shares of the mass media. Now, what organizations these might be, you ask? Well, you have Disney, Warner Brothers, Columbia Pictures, Universal, Paramount, 20th Century Fox, where all are considered the Big Six. Now you might ask, why does this matter? Well, Walt Disney is the world's largest media company. Sony Corporation is the fifth largest. Comcast is the largest telecommunication company in the world. Horizontal integration is a method where these companies use. A company develops in other areas benefiting from other markets. Synergy is also a method these companies use, where promotions and sales of a product are within films. There are many advantages to using synergy in films. It can increase the profits image on film to enhance companies' image and influence public opinion. However, there are issues when using synergy as a method, such as the cost and profiting. Thank you, class. That is all I have for you. Thank you.